going on, YouTube? Brother Briar joining you on a rainy day here in Dayton, Ohio. It's about 50 degrees. It's a perfect time to come out and smoke a pipe, in my opinion. Smoking the Hackert. Nice tree bark rustication. I guess that's what I call that. Looks kind of like tree bark. Good sized bowl there. Got it loaded up with some Hiland's Black Gold. Just a nice, comforting aromatic. Kind of in the mood for that this afternoon. Good stuff here. Getting ready to start a new book. New to me anyway. Certainly not new by publication standpoint, but definitely an American classic. It's called The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. I guess it was the last novel he ever wrote. I read some reviews of the book, and there were many mixed reviews on it. Some people loved it, some people hated it. But I try not to be swayed too much by reviews. I like to develop my own opinion of things, but we'll see how it goes. It's an American classic, like I said before. So I know I at least should probably give it, you know, the due diligence that it deserves. And read it here. So I was able to put it on my Kindle here. But anyway, that's what I'm up to on this rainy afternoon. Got some geese flying overhead. I'll tell you what, the Canadian geese are just thriving in this area. They're actually protected here in Ohio. I personally think they need to call open season on them because they're getting to be a nuisance. But anyway. So, hope you guys are having a good afternoon or evening or whenever you're watching this. Hope you're having a good day. Enjoy your pipe, and we'll see you next time. God bless.